students, myself Ayushi Tak. I welcome you on Anvira Online School. Today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 2. Name of this chapter is Scratch Your Brain. First of all, what is this in this chapter? We find some mathematical operations. What are mathematical operations? There are basic 4 mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. They are different mathematical operations. We are solving all these in our previous classes, but here we find all of them together. Then how can we solve the together mathematical operations? There is a perfect order of these operations to solve questions. The ordering mathematical operations. What is order of mathematical operation? For learn this order, there we have a rule of B, O, D, M, A, S. It's called board mass. B means brackets. O, square roots. D, divide. M, multiplication. A, addition. S, subtraction. So this is an order. First of all, we solve the brackets, then square roots, then divide, multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Now, solve this question. First, solve this question, we find a simple question. For your example, for understanding. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 6 minus 2 divided by 8. You have to find out the answer. How can we find out the answer? We find out this answer to follow this order. What we do? First of all, we are doing divide. So, where you find divide? Here. 2 divided by 8. So, answer of this is 4 minus, and the other are same. Now, the next step is multiplication. So, where is multiplication? Here. 4 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 plus 6 minus 4. Now, next is addition. So, 20 plus 6 is 26 minus 4. The last is subtraction. So, 26 minus 4 is equal to 22. This is our correct answer. So, this is how can you solve the together of all mathematical operations. Now, with learning new things, we have to scratch your brain and some interesting things in this chapter. Let's solve our first question. Solve the following according to the given instruction. You have to solve this question according to given instruction. First, read the question. If addition means divide, divide means subtraction, subtraction means multiplication, and multiplication means addition. First of all, we have to create a short question like addition is like divide. Divide is minus, so divide is minus. Minus is multiplication. Minus is multiplication. And multiplication is addition. Now we have to solve this. 14 plus 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 8 is equal to what? This is according to this. We have to make this operations according to this. So 14, what is mean of this sign? Mean of this sign is divide. So we change the divide. Now next is 2. What's mean of this sign? Mean of this sign is sign of addition. So place of multiplication we write the sign of addition. Next is number 3. Next is sign of divide. So what is mean of sign of divide? Here is mean of sign of divide is minus. So minus 8. Now we have to solve this according to board mass. So according to board mass, which operation we solve first? Divide. 14 divided by 2. What's the answer? Is 7. Add 3 minus 8. Now next is multiplication. Here is no any multiplication. Next addition. Add 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 8. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. So our correct answer is 2. So now find out which is our correct option. Our correct option is option A, 0. No. Option B, 1. No. Option C, 2. Yes. Our correct answer is 2. So our correct option is option C. Now let's go to our next question. Question number 2. First, read the question. If W means multiplication, X means addition, Y means divide, and Z means minus. So here we solve this. First, W means multiplication, X means addition, Y means divide, and Z means minus. So what we have to find out? 17, W 16, Y 4, Z 8, X 9. So we have to solve this. Now change W. 17. W means multiplication. Then 16. Y. Y means divide. Next, number 4. Z. Z means minus. Then number 8. X. X means addition. Number 9. We find out the answer. So we have to solve this according to board mass rule. First of all, we solve division. 16 divided by 4. Answer is 4. Multiply by 17 minus 8 addition and 9. Next, divide. After divide, we solve multiplication. So here 17 multiplied by 4 is 68. Then minus 8 plus 9. Then option? Option A, 38? No. Option B, 69. Yes. Our correct option is option B. Now, let's go to our question number 3. If A is equal to 4, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 8 and D is equal to 4, then you have to solve this sequence. So, B is equal to 6. So, 6 plus C. C is equal to 8. Then minus A. A is equal to 4. Then divide. D. D is equal to 4. And brackets. Bracket open and bracket close. Multiplication. B is equal to 6 is equal to what? We have to solve this sequence. So, first of all, according to board mass, we have to solve first brackets. So, here bracket. Now, in this bracket, first of all, we divide division. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1. Next step is multiplication. But first, we have to solve bracket. So, in this, first addition. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14 minus 1 multiplied by 6. 14 minus 1 is 13 multiplied by 6. So, brackets are solved with 13. Now, we have to do multiplication. 13 multiplied by 6 is equal to 78. So, our correct answer is 78. Now, find out which is our correct option. Option A, 6. Option B, 12. No. Option C, 32. No. Option D, 78. Yes, our correct answer is 78. Our correct option is option D. Let's go to our next question. Question number 4. If this sign stands for minus and this sign stands for multiplication, this sign stands for addition and this sign stands for divide, then calculate the value of this sequence. So, this is very messy. Now, for understand, we make it short. This is equal to minus. Next, this is equal to multiplication. This is equal to addition and this is equal to divide. Now, what we find this sequence? 24. This like minus. Next 4. Next this. This is multiplication 5. This is addition. Next 27. This is stand for divide. Next is 3. Now find out the value of this we solve which operation? We solve first of all divide. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Right? Next, we have to solve multiplication. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Addition and subtraction. First, what we do? Addition. So 24 plus 9. 24 plus 9 is 33. Then minus 20 is equal to 13. So our correct answer is 13. Now find out which is our correct option. Option A 7. No. Option B 13. Yes, our correct option is option B 13. Let's go to our next question. Question number 5. If this sign means minus, this sign means multiplication, this sign means addition, and this sign means divide. So we have to solve this. First of all, this sign means minus, this sign means multiplication, this stand for addition, and this stand for divide. So 10 multiplication here. So we have to change with divide. Next is number 5, divide. Divide stands for addition, and number 3, then minus stand for multiplication. Then number 2, then sign of addition stand for minus. So minus 3 is equal to what? So now we have to solve this question. So first of all, which operation we solve? We solve, yes, divide. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. Next, which operation we solve? Multiplication. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So 2 plus 6 minus 3. So first, now which operation we will solve first? Addition. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Our correct answer is number 5. So now let's see which is our correct option. Option A 5. Yes, our correct option is option A. Now let's go to our next question. Question number 6. Select the correct combination of mathematical signs to replace the star signs to balance the given equation. In this question, we have to replace this star signs with the mathematical operations, the correct mathematical operation. Now, how can we know that which operation is correct? We have to find out the all options with this. First, option A. 5, 6, 3, 2 and 9. So, add, subtract, divide is equal to. So, find out this is a correct sequence or not. First of all, which operation we can solve divide. 3 divided by 2. This not possible. So, our option A is not correct option. Next, option B. 5, 6, 3, 2, 9. Divide, addition is equal to and multiplication. First, divide 5 divided by 6. No. So, this is not our correct option. Option C. Let's go. 5, 6, 3, 2, 9. Plus, divide, multiplication and equal. First, divide 6 divided by 3. Yes. 2. Add and multiplication. Which is first? Multiplication. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Yes. This is our correct sequence. Now, we also solve option D. 5, 6, 3, 2, 9. Plus multiplication, subtraction, equal to. First, divide. There is no divide. Next, multiplication. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 plus 5 minus 2. First, addition. 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 is 23 minus 2. 23 minus 2 is equal to 21. So, this is not our correct option. So, which is our correct option? Option C. Our correct option is option C. Let's go to our next question. Question number 7. If T means multiplication, U means subtraction, V means divide and W means addition, then what will be the value of following expression? First, replace the value of all this. 50, mean of V is here. Divide. Then 2 brackets. W, means of W is addition. Bracket open. 28. T, means of T is multiplication. Then 4. Now, according to rule of BODMAS, first solve the brackets. So, 50 divided by 2 is 25. Addition, 28 multiplied by 4 is 112. Now, add 112 plus 25 is 137. This is our correct answer. Now, find out which is our correct option. Option A, 142. No. Option B, 158. No. Option C, 137. Yes, our correct option is 137. For this, here our chapter is completed. Now, what do you find in this chapter? We find many mathematical operations and a correct order of mathematical operation. How to solve the together mathematical operation? We follow the rule of BODMAS, right? And we play with numbers and some operations like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication is an advanced level. You solve addition, multiplication, division and subtraction in different types. Here we solve them together with a perfect order. Thank you.